There should be nothing else that'll make noise. Okay, thank God. Achoo!
I'm pissed.
What? No. Go back to sleep.
That was literally the loudest sneeze I've ever heard in my entire life.
No.
I'm going home.
No, please, that's the money. No, come on. That woke you up. Oh, come on. Ugh.
So, did you get your $100,000, Marvin?
No, I sneezed. Jeffy, did you just poop out the whistle?
Let me check.